Myself and Mary would like to welcome you all to the wedding of Raymond and Sinead. From an early age, Raymond was very independent and practical. When he was about 15, we were doing a bit of an extension on the house. Every evening after school, he worked with the builders and decided this was the life for him, you pray, the career he wanted to be on.
Wherever you lay, I'll be there when you call me. Over rivers and roads, wherever you roam, I'll be there when you call me. When time starts to break and the dawn is away, I'll be there when you call me. At the end of the day, when the world is away, I'll be there when you call me. So hum this tune and hold on tight. I'll be with you in the morning light. Close your eyes and listen. Close your eyes and listen. Oh, what a beautiful sound. Close your eyes and listen to the sound.
She says we've been together 8 years. I don't know about that, but it doesn't feel that long. A lot longer, yeah. A lot longer. We love you loads, me and Dahi together. Like, it was the best day of our lives when he came into it. And
when all hope has escaped and the darkness waits, I'll be there when you call me. If your direction home is lost amongst the cold, I'll be there when you call me. So hum this tune and hold on tight. I'll be with you in the morning light. Close your eyes and listen. Close your eyes and listen. Oh, what a beautiful sound.
Take you, Sinead, as my wife. For better, for worse. For sickness and health. All the days of my life.
Wear this ring as a sign of our love and fidelity. And in the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.
I feel my bones collapse around the sight of you. Her soul is like the sun and gives me light to carry on, and gives me reason to still the shaking hands. So I hold my head up high. Let me pour my heart out into your hands, and let my love run through your veins.
Raymond is a kind and thoughtful young man, always there with a helping hand. He either does the job or he organises to get it done. When he took Sinead home to meet us, we knew she was the one for him straight away. Sinead is easygoing and fitted into our family as if she was always there. They go together there like two sides of one